Hello techies, welcome to Microsoft Power Automate desktop tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about exception handling in Power Automate desktop. First, we will learn what is exception handling. By definition, exception handling is a mechanism that allows Power Automate desktop to handle and recover from unexpected circumstances and issues that might occur during a flow run. That means Power Automate Desktop having the mechanism to handle the errors or issues that will occur while automating a business process. By the end of this module, you will learn about the exception handling and how it can be used and how to apply exception handling on actions or on already automated flow to prevent the crashes. Alright, now we'll see what are exceptions. Exceptions are events that occur while a flow is running. These exception events disrupt the expected flow of actions and cause it to fail if they are not handled properly. Exceptions may be caused by various factors such as incorrect inputs, unexpected values, software or hardware failures, unavailable resources, etc. Alright, there are different types of exception handlings we have in the Power Automate desktop. There are two types of exception handlings we have. One is action level exception handling, another one block level exception handling. We will learn about these exception handlings practically in the upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day.